So the process is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So you don't need to worry if you're on Android. And the process is almost similar on PC or Mac. So you can create your Facebook account through your Facebook app, or you can directly go to the web to create a Facebook account. So for web, you can simply go to facebook.com and tap on create an account. I would be going through for the Facebook app. So if you open, the process and the screens are almost similar. So simply go and open your Facebook app. Here we go. So once you're here, at the bottom you can see sign up for Facebook. So simply go and tap on sign up for Facebook. Now it says join Facebook will help you create an account in few easy steps. Tap on get started. Here simply go and enter your name, first name and the last name. So simply go and enter that. So once you have done so, you need to provide your date of birth. So simply go and select your date of birth. Here we go, here we go, here we go. So once you have selected your date of birth, tap on continue. Select your gender or custom if you don't want to show your gender. And enter your mobile phone number, or you can use your email. So tap on use your email if you want to use the email. So here we go. So once you have done so, simply go and tap on go. Create your password. So for the time being, let the password be like this. Sign up. And your account has been created. In my case, it says the password is this one. So simply you need to go and select a better combination of numbers, letters and punctuation marks. So once you create your password and tap on sign up, and your account will be created and a verification link will be sent to your email. In case if you have signed up through your mobile account, you would be sent an SMS verification code. So simply go and enter on the next screen and your account will be created. So hope it has helped you in creating the Facebook account on Android or iPhone or PC or Mac. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.